Welcome to Up in Alaska. In today's video, we're going to be hiking 5 miles down this trail to a campsite on the coast of Resurrection Bay. We'll be hiking on the beach, crossing creeks, and getting to see lots of beautiful views. If you like the videos, don't forget to leave a thumbs up and subscribe to help support the channel for free. Now let's get into it. Wow, what a view. Beautiful morning to be out here. Gotta come back in through the woods here. Welcome to Alaska's rainforest. Let's hope it stays sunny today and tomorrow. Reach our first spot for our first break. Don't want to sit around too long though. I'm on a race against the tide, but I do want to get some fresh water. So I'm gonna pull up my filter here and get some water. Completely empty. This is a gravity fed water filtered by Live Straw. If you've been thinking about getting one of these, I would definitely recommend it. Basically unlimited water everywhere you go. I think also while I wait, I'm gonna have a few bites off of one of these power bars. Stand here with my eyes closed. Feel the reflection of the sun. Let it beam on my back and dry it out a little bit. Put this away, save it for later. I'm gonna let that thing fill up either halfway or most of the way. But for now, I'm just gonna sit down and relax. We got some eagles up there. Wow. Got that put away. There we go. And just like that, we're back on the move. Destination 3.3 miles. I don't want to be stuck up there. I want to wait for the tide to go out. I definitely need to make it through this narrow portion. I need to watch my step here. Seaweed everywhere. This stuff can be slippery. It is slippery. Massive cliff. .05 miles in. I should just be about there. I think I'm gonna take my sweater off. It's getting hot. Wow, look at these little rocks. It's a bunch of little razors. Like scales. Look at that view. My destination is on the other side of that rock that sticks out. I'm 3.82 miles in. A little narrow here. Oh, we got us a beautiful waterfall here. All the water goes under the rocks. Look at this. I need to find a spot to rest. My left foot is feeling it from walking at an angle like this. I can feel it on the outside of my pinky toe and underneath my big toe. Well, I can tell from over here, there's no getting around right there. And the trail goes up here. Whew, just what I wanted to do, walk up a hill. Here goes nothing. Some bear droppings. Better keep my eyes peeled. We're back in the rainforest. Hello, bear! Just hit 5 miles. Just now exiting the woods here and back onto the beach. Made it. That feels good. Need to let my shirt dry out. A little sweaty. Put my sweater back on for now. It's almost all the way dried out. Got my shirt drying off over there. Boat just came and picked up some campers. There's 2 ways in. By boat or hiking in. I need to get my boots off, my feet air out. That's for sure. Let's check the damage here. Oh, not too bad after all. No blister yet. I want my socks dry out. I'm gonna eat me the rest of this protein bar. Alright, that's keeping the wind off me. My tent set up for now. I was able to tie the corners down with the paracord. I'm gonna make some beans and rice. I need something warm to eat. There we go. Got our cotton ball smothered in petroleum jelly. Just gonna go ahead and put that right there. That's a nice little flame going here. Put this stuff away. Don't want to lose my fire steel. Make sure I put that away. The shirt's coming along. Here we go, it's drying out, nice. Put a little bit of salt in here. Just gonna eyeball my rice here. That's probably enough. It is now 12:17. Just ate all my beans and rice. Got the tent set up, and my shirt is almost completely dry. I feel some moisture here still. Dry my socks out a little bit. The air here has got a lot of moisture in it. There's a crab shell here. I'm gonna go put my food in the bear box, set up my mat, relax a little bit more in the tent, let this food digest, then I'll go exploring around out here. Got a massive bear box here. I'm gonna go sit on the beach a little bit though. The tide is on its way back out. Came down, laying behind this little hill here. Beach is over there, blocks the wind. And it's nice and warm right here. I think I fell asleep for a little bit. Sun just went behind a cloud. Found another crab shell. Huh. Poured some hot water in here. Gonna make me some blueberry tea. Put a little bit of brown sugar in there as well. Really just been relaxing all day, well fed. Now I'm deciding to walk up here, see what's going on. We've got a beautiful creek that we're right up above right now. We've got that waterfall over here. Gotta be careful. Just brushed my hand up against this devil's club. Tree's right on the edge of that. Ooh. Looks kind of scary. It's waving around. That could break off, huh? That feels nice. Alright, it's time to get out of here. What a spot to relax. Currently 5:40 p.m. Life's good. made it down there. Not too bad. A little slippery. Oh, there's a wire right there. This is the top of the waterfall, and this is as far as I'm going. Beautiful place. I'm gonna make some more tea. I think this time I'm gonna mix these two. Put some water on. That smells good. Gonna start setting up my bed. It's 6:57. Not bad. There we go. The mat in the center. Got myself another cup of tea. (9:43 p.m. Been standing by the fire, keeping warm, listening to the ocean. Stuffing my sweater into my tent bag for another pillow, and my raincoat into my sleeping bag. So now I got 3 pillows. Alright, nice and cozy in the sleeping bag. I'll go ahead and catch you guys in the morning. Look, it's cloudy out today. Gonna cook up some breakfast. We'll see how the weather is. Might clear up, it looks like. But for now, we're gonna go get some oatmeal. See if we have any coals left. We do. I'm gonna charge up my watch and my phone. Set my watch charger on this hand warmer. Whenever it gets cold, it doesn't charge as well. Go ahead and put the phone on the charger. I'm gonna make some nice hot tea. I think it's gonna be a good day. Still a little too cloudy to tell. Get some more water on there for the oatmeal. brown sugar, my honey, my oatmeal, and my tea. Life's good. Just finished the oatmeal. Gonna go fill up with some water, clean my pot out, pack up, head up the beach. Time to start going. It's 8:02 a.m. Tide's still out. Gotta pass the narrow part of the beach, otherwise I'll be stuck over here until the tide goes back out. It's a little cloudy out today. Well, at least it's not raining out. That's an eagle up there. When I came through here last time, the water was all the way up here, and I had to hug this rock. Found a nice little spot off the beach. Looks like a nice little campsite. It's got a trail up here to a waterfall. Wow. What a beautiful view. People kayaking out there. Back on the trail, or back on the beach. Look at the lines in this rock. That's a cool rock. All right, just barely made it out. Looks like the tide's about to block off the rest of the way. Last obstacle I have to pass. You can see the water comes all the way up to here. Made it back to the woods. I knew this hill on the way back was gonna kill me. Let's keep pushing. Almost to the top. Just made it back to the parking lot. 5.5 miles. Not too bad. Lots of uphill walking toward the end. All right, made it back to the car, and that's the end of the video. If you guys made it this far in the video, don't forget to leave a thumbs up and subscribe to help support the channel for free. If you're interested in the bushcraft knife that I have, there's an affiliate link down below where you can purchase one yourself. There's also a link to join the Discord if you're interested in that. If you want to watch another video, click here, and to subscribe, click here. I'll catch you guys in the next one.